Yes, proceed, sir. Proceed, sir.
Today we had a meeting of the Congress Legislative Party of the newly elected members from the Congress Party. First, the Congress Legislative Party wishes to thank the voters of Telangana for giving an opportunity to the Congress Party. Thank the Congress President Shri Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji, and all the senior Congress leaders who came, campaigned, helped for them, and guidance and contribution to the development of the party in the campaigning. The third is that all the members of the Congress unanimously resolved to authorize the AICC President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji to appoint the Congress Legislative Party. It was being moved by the PCC President. Seconded by Reddy, Vikramaditya, Uttam Kumar Reddy, Damodar Raj, Reddy Reddy, Sridhar Babu, Ponnam Prabhakar, Sitaka, Prem Sagar, Kondal Sureka, Kamala Nageshwar Rao, Ponnam Srinivas, Vedam Pooja, and all these people seconded, and it was being proposed by the sent to the AICC President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge and all of them decided whatever the AICC President and the High Command decide, we will go by the decision of the party. This is the latest information.
Sir, by what time, sir?
Sir, what time
We will inform you. We are in a process.
today evening? Today.
We will inform you. We are in a process. We also will meet all the legislators independently, seek their opinion, but still they have given their opinion that it should go to High Command, but still they will speak to all of them.
Yes, proceed, sir. Proceed, sir.
Today we had a meeting of the Congress Legislative Party of the newly elected members from the Congress Party. First, the Congress Legislative Party wishes to thank the voters of Telangana for giving an opportunity to the Congress Party. Thank the Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji, and all the senior Congress leaders who came, campaigned, helped for them, and guidance and contribution to the development of the party in the campaigning. The third is that all the members of the Congress